Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to run Facebook ad. You'll be learning practical steps you can use to run Facebook ad with your smartphone. This video is the most requested video on this channel and I will be granting your request right now. So I am an affiliate marketer and this will be a practical way for you to run an affiliate ad. But regardless, if you are someone that do other things, probably you sell other stuffs online or you run other business, you can still apply the knowledge in this video to create an ad for yourself and also run a successful ad for yourself. So to run Facebook ad with your smartphone, you will need to download an application called Meta Ads Manager. So head on to Play Store and search for this application, Meta Ads Manager. You can see I already have mine installed. So I'll just head on back to the application on my phone. So for you to run a successful Facebook ad, you must have created a Facebook page for yourself. In case you don't know how to create a page, just check the link in the description so that I can get access to my previous video on how to create a page. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to click on this plus sign up here. So this is my Meta ad interface. So click on the plus icon up here. So once you click on that, this will load up for you. You can see we have different objective here. They say what is your objective. So your objective could be to run an engagement ad, or probably for awareness or traffic, or lead ad, or sales or app promotion. So if you are running an engagement ad, it means that you want to receive message on Facebook or in your WhatsApp DM. That is what engagement ad is all about. If you're running an awareness ad, probably you want to like create an awareness for your products. You want people to always like remember your face, still know that you still exist and stuff like that. If you want to run a traffic ad, it means you are trying to drive traffic to your page. Probably you want to grow page likes or you want to drive traffic to your website. So all you do is just put the link to your page on that ad or to your website and you see a lot of people coming there to like see you. That's the meaning of traffic ad. So if you are running lead ad, it means you want to run ads to get leads, either through your email or on your WhatsApp. Then the sales ad is all about you running ad for the purpose of sales, just like the name imply, for the purpose of sales. An app promotion ad, that's just in case you want to promote an app you just launched or you are intending to launch, you can just make use of the app promotion ad. So for this particular tutorial, we'll be making use of the engagement ad because that is one of the best kind of ads among these 6 different objectives. So let's click on engagement ad. Once you click on that, this will come up for you. So you can see they said quick create or manually create. So you want to go with manually create because you want to create everything on your own from the scratch. So I'll click on manually create. Then over here, you can see we have 3 different levels of an ad. You have the campaign level, and you have the ad set level, and you have the ad level. So at the campaign level is where you get to like choose your campaign name and also set a budget. So let's choose campaign name and edit that. So over here, just put a name that you feel you will use to remember this campaign. So let's assume we want to leave our own ad as new engagement. So once you do that, then you mark it and go back. So you can see the name has been set as new engagement. So the next setting you go to is your budget setting. So click on edit. Once you click on edit, so over here you have to like choose a budget that you want to run. So let's assume we want to run an ad budget of 2000 naira per day. So you can see 2000 naira per day. So once you set this as 2000 naira, then you can just go back. You can also set a lifetime budget by coming to where we have lifetime, but you can see that it's currently on daily budget. That means you'll be spending 2000 naira every day on this particular ad. So let's go back. So once you go back, you can see that we've set campaign name and we've set budget. This special ad category is not important, so you can leave it like that. And also this campaign details auction, leave it like that, don't touch it. Next thing you do is you click on next so that I can head on to where we have the ad set level. So at the ad set level, so over here you have to choose your ad set name. So let's name it new engagement, just like the first one we named. So new engagement. So once you name it as new engagement, then you go back. So over where we have conversion, so click on edit. So down here is where you choose where you want to drive engagement to. If you want to drive engagement to your messenger, or you want to drive engagement to your WhatsApp business, or even to your Instagram. So let's check it out one by one. So you can see they say choose where you want to drive engagement. So you should be choosing messaging apps. You see, Facebook has made it very easy for you. They already listed some objective for you. So that is to say that if you are running a particular kind of ad, you want to ensure that you choose the objective that match it. You don't want to run a sales ads, like you don't want to like try to make sales for your product and you are choosing traffic ad. You will surely waste your money. Do you understand? So ensure that whatever you are trying to get, whatever result you are trying to achieve, should determine the objective you are choosing. So just like we have here, you can see they gave you 4 different options and we chose our engagement objective. So if you have to go for the best option here, you have to go for messaging apps. So choose on messaging apps, then come down to where we have the apps that you want to drive engagement to. So you can see we have Messenger, we have WhatsApp Business, and we have Instagram. So for you, you want to choose your WhatsApp. Do you understand? You want to drive traffic to your WhatsApp. So uncheck the Messenger and leave WhatsApp Business. Do you understand? And also you can even check Instagram if that is where you wish to drive your traffic to. And also it is important to note that you want to connect your WhatsApp Business on your Facebook Messenger. Like just go to your Facebook Messenger and add your WhatsApp Business number to it. So that is how you connect it. So once you're done with this setting, then you go back. We are done with this particular place. So the next setting is where we have the schedule. So over here you have to choose when you want your ads to start and even the time you want it to start. So let's go back to the fourth setting, which is audience. So when you come to the audience setting, here you can get to choose the city or the country you want to target and also the age grade of people you want to target, including detailed targeting. That means the kind of people you want to target. If you want to target people that work in a particular sector. So let's come to audience name. You can actually choose a name for your audience. So let's go ahead and edit each segment. So you can see we have locations, Nigeria. So you can click on edit. Peradventure, you want to target people in a particular city. You don't want to target the whole Nigeria. So just click on edit again. And you get to like uncheck Nigeria. Like once you mark Nigeria, you delete it. Then you now choose the cities that you want to target. Let's assume you want to target Lagos, Nigeria. So you can see Lagos, Nigeria as a city. Can you see it has brought out Lagos as a city now? So just choose that. Let's add Ibadan. So that is how you get to choose different cities that you want to target. Can you see? And let's assume you want to also add Asaba. Asaba. Asaba Delta State. That's another city in Nigeria. So this is how you get to add cities or you get to choose a city that you feel your audience are located. So once you're done with this, you mark it. Can you see it's already showing here? We have Lagos, Ibadan, and Asaba. But if you don't want to target city, you probably don't target the whole Nigeria. So you just take it back to Nigeria. You can just edit, delete everything, then choose Nigeria as a country. So peradventure you don't know where your customers are located, it's advisable you choose Nigeria as a country. Then in subsequent time, you get to study and see where your audience are coming from. That will determine how you get to set your next ad. You can even choose Nigeria and you can even search for Ghana in case you want to target Ghana also. So can you see? Then you mark it. Can you see that we have Nigeria and Ghana now? So the next thing you want to do is where you get to choose your targeting. This place is where you get to like add people that you feel are your audience that work in a particular sector or people that are in a particular industry that you feel are your potential customer. So let's go to where you have includes people who match. So click on add. So over here, you should add all those you feel are your audience. Since I'm promoting an ad that relates to affiliate marketing, so I'll just go ahead and add everything I feel that's aligned with affiliate marketing. Before now, ensure that you've done your own research to find out what interests your audience, like the kind of interest that you can find your audience. Do you get? So for affiliate marketing, because I've been running ads for such before, so I know that my audience they are interested in stuff like copywriting. Can you see? They're interested in stuff like sales. Are you seeing, guys? So I'm choosing sales. My audience are also interested in stuff like digital marketing. Digital marketing. Yes, you can see that, right? Alright, so I'm done. Let's go back to checking what we've done. So you can see it has been added: copywriting, digital marketing strategists, and sales. So just take your time and do your research and find out what interests your audience. All right, so you can see it is just three interests we chose where we add that detailed targeting. But the thing is, whenever I'm running my ad for affiliate marketing, I usually have more than three. Like, I already know all the kind of interest that I choose that gives me quality leads. Do you understand? So if you would like me to teach you how to get quality leads, how to choose the best kind of audience when choosing interest or when choosing detailed targeting, just go to the comment section now and comment detailed targeting. Do you understand? Just go to the comment section and comment teach me detailed targeting, and I will surely make a video on that in my subsequent video. So once you're done with all this, then you come to where you have age. So choose the best age bracket for your audience. So for me, I love to choose age 22 to age 45. So I'll just go to 45. Then the gender, I'll leave the gender as all gender. Can you see? So we are done with the all setting over here where we have the audience. So once you are done with all this, then you go back. So you can see that everything we set is already there. So the next part is where we have the placement. So this placement is like where you want your ads to show. If you want your ads to show on Facebook or Instagram or on Facebook story or Instagram feed or Instagram story, so that's where you get to like choose all that. So once you click on edit, you can see it's currently on advantage placement. What it means is that Facebook will get to show you ads to where it knows is the best place to appear. Do you get? That's the meaning of advantage placement. But then let me show you what it looks like when you do the manual placements. So peradventure you don't want your ads to show on Instagram. So this is where you do all the setting. Probably you want your ads to show on Facebook only. So once you come to this place, just click on the drop down arrow where you have platforms. Can you see we have Facebook, we have Instagram and audience network. So these ones are not that important. Once you uncheck Instagram, it means that your ad will only be shown to those on Facebook. If you want to run Instagram ad, it's very simple. Like this is where you get to like do all the setting. Do you understand? So once you choose Instagram here, that is how you get to run Instagram ad. You get to choose that, okay, I want this ad to be shown on Instagram. Do you get? So this is a simple way to run Instagram ad. So once you click on Instagram again, you see that it will be shown to those on Instagram. But we won't be doing this for now. We are using advantage placement. We want Facebook to show our ad to where we feel is the best audience. So just go back, then head on to where you have ad by clicking next. So over here you get to choose your creative, your ad creative. So for me, I'll click on ad name. I'll edit it as new engagement, just like the other ones. So when you come to the ad setup, so over here you can see we have single image or video and carousel. If you want to choose carousel, it means you want your ads to contain different images whereby people get to swipe through images. That is the meaning of carousel. So we'll leave it as single image and go back. When you come to the ad creative, over here you get to choose the image you want to use. So for me, I'll click on single image. I'll be using this particular image for my own ad. So in case you want to choose a particular image from your phone, so you just go to camera roll. So then you get to choose the image you want to use. When you swipe down, you get to see all your images on your phone. So I'll be using the particular image that is already here. So click on done. Once you click on done, come to where you have headline. So just choose free training on how to start affiliate marketing. That will be my headline on how to start affiliate marketing. Can you see that? So when you move on to where you have primary tests, over here you have to put in your caption, the caption that you want to use. So for me, I already created the caption in my notepad. So I just go to my notepad and copy that caption. So this is my caption here. I'll just copy it and paste over there. So copy. So I'll just paste what I just did. So you don't like start creating captions from your head. You want to like ensure you've created this before coming to this meta ad manager. So where you have the messaging templates, so you can just edit your message templates and add the kind of messages you want your audience to ask you once they come to your DM. So you can see, you can edit the greeting, you can edit this, I am interested, can you tell me more? All these questions. If you want them to ask you just one question, you can delete the other questions. So let's leave this as this. So the next part is where you have the call to action. So the best is to leave it as send WhatsApp message. There are still other options down there. Can you see? But just leave it as send WhatsApp message because we want to like send traffic to our WhatsApp. So when you go back, it means we are done with this particular place. So just preview your ad and see what you've created. So let's preview the ad. Can you see the ad we created? So this is like what it will look like on Facebook. This is a preview of what our ad will look like. So the next thing you now do is just click on publish and boom, you've created an ad for yourself. So that is basically how you get to run Facebook ad for yourself. If you got value from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video to a friend so that they can also get value from this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.